Hello guys, welcome to another Android Studio tutorial. In this video I will show you how we can create a perfect Android Studio project. So first open Android Studio. If you are first time using Android Studio then you will see this window, but if you already opened Android Studio then go to file and close the project and you will see this window. So let's start a new Android Studio project. Then next you will see many ready-made activities which are made for ease of Android Studio developer. Like there are basic activity, bottom navigation activity, empty activity, map, login activities, setting activities, scrolling activity, navigation drawer activity, etc. Also, you can see wears means watch for watches, TVs, automotives, and others. But we will be using phone for basics. So let's click on empty activity and click next. Now the next part is give a name to your application. So I will give new project or my first application. So this is our application name. This is the package name, which is the important one, and let is default. Now the save location. This location is where your project will be saved, and the language. Which language? There are two languages for making Android application, Kotlin and Java in Android Studio. So choose whichever you want to use in your project. I will use Java. Now the important part of this video is selecting a minimum SDK for your project. So it is selected API 18 Android 4.3 Jelly Bean, and let's read the text below the option. Your app will run on approximately 98.4% of devices. Now let's select the newest API 229. So when we click on this and let's read the text. Your app will run on approximately 8.2% of devices. So what does it mean? It means that when we select the lower API means 18 or 19, so it will run on 98 point something percent of devices. And we all want that our application will run on maximum number of devices. But if we select API 29 latest, so it will run only on 8% of devices. So in this case we have to select the default one, API Android 4.3 Jelly Bean, and let this option disabled and select finish. Now our application and project is ready. In next video I will show you the workspace of Android Studio. So thanks for watching and subscribe if you haven't yet, and see you soon in next video. Goodbye.